Hello, how you doing? I hope you're well. You might have seen my recent camping video, kayak camping video, where I used a boat drone. And I want to show you kind of what I've done there. So this is an idea that I had to create a drone for a boat. And the reason I had it was I've really been enjoying flying the Potensic Atom aerial drone, but I wanted one that I could play about with on the water. So I thought, why not have a go with one? And so I did. Now this is what's known as a fishing bait boat. Alright, so it's by Bill Bear. It's a bit wet because I've been using it, the bag. But it does come with this nice carry bag with a pocket at the back to put all your gear in and bits and pieces. And this is what I've kind of done with it. So I have found that it's better with the aerial down, otherwise it gets in the way of the lens. That's a bait box. So basically, on the remote, when you press one of these buttons, I can't quite remember which one it is, press one of these buttons and it flips bait into the water. Probably not a good idea to put your camera in that one. And there's light switches on here too. And then what I've done is, it's actually tie gripped on at the minute, but underneath there's the battery compartment, and I've stuck one of those action camera mounts on top of the battery compartment. There is a tie grip on there just to hold that in place, just in case, because you never know, do you? And then you've basically got a little camera drone. Press go, chuck it in the water, and away you go. So I'll show you what I mean, and I'll show you the footage that I'm going to take with this right now. So press start on there. This turns the boat on, and then what we do is we press on here. That little blue light comes on here. These lights light up to say it's receiving. So let's chuck it in the water, and by chuck I mean place carefully. Oh yeah, there's two props at the back, and you do get spare ones just in case you break one, which is quite a nice little touch. Then basically forward, left, right. Now I've got the camera on that boat set to horizon leveling for obvious reasons. Look at that, how cool is that? So what I've found is I've been playing about with it while I've been kayak camping, trying to take some interesting shots from on the water, under bridges, etc. So that's as fast as it goes. Now it does have a lock switch here. If I press that, I can take my fingers off here and it will just travel, keep the engine going, keep the motor going. You can control the direction. So it just minimises how much you actually have to do on here. To stop that, press it again and it stops. Quite cool, right? Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. I'll put a link to this little bait boat in the pinned comment and description. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you like what I do on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing, blah 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 blah. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Come on, Bone. I've decided to call it Bone because boat drone's a bit long-winded. Nice.